The action kicks off as dump trucks, loaded with dirt and rocks, roll into sight. Massive piles of earth are unloaded right next to the wall, kicking up dust alongside the roaring engines. Up above, a drone hovers, capturing the entire process from a bird's eye view. Once the dump trucks finish unloading, the crawler bulldozer steps in. Lowering its blade, it relentlessly pushes through the heavy boulders and topsoil. With every back and forth movement, the bulldozer doesn't just level the ground. It uses the immense weight of its steel tracks to compact the fresh dirt. The crew watches closely, with the drone operator and people recording on their phones entirely focused on the work. In the final stage, the bulldozer pushes a massive pile of earth straight into the edge of the muddy water, right next to the traditional houses. Slowly but surely, the gap by the water is filled, creating a solid new foundation in the middle of this peaceful countryside.